he just tore off into a tree. He climbed it as fast as a squirrel. It was really funny. Cinnabon, where are you, buddy? Oh, there he is. Look at. He's on top of the birdhouse. Hey, buddy. How you doing up there, man? Having fun? Incredible. He's on top of the birdhouse. You like it up there, buddy? He's after something. Yeah. As bright as this goes. Yeah, he was about right here and he just tore it up there. Cinnabon, you okay there, buddy? He's looking up. He wants something. Hmm? It's a little cold out here, wouldn't you say, buddy? I think it's high time to get down to the tree. Hmm? That's hilarious. Look how... Yeah, he's not too terribly high. Probably between 15 and 20 feet. You gonna come down there, buddy? You gonna come down now? I know you've done that before. You must have done it before, yeah. He wants something. What do you want? What's in the tree that you want, buddy? Hmm? Got branches in the way. I don't see anything up there. This little kitty observation post, huh? Oh, he's rappelling down. He's a pro, isn't he? He knows what he's doing. Oh, he's inspecting the birdhouse. There you go. Good boy. You crazy kitty. Maybe there's mice, as when we were younger, I used to find mice in birdhouses. Maybe that's what he was looking for. Looking for mice, buddy? Looking for mice? Hmm? I'm turning my light down. You sharpening your claws? Yeah? Well, you can come inside whenever you want to, okay, buddy? I'll be in there waiting for you. Gonna be okay by yourself for a while, buddy? We're gonna come. You can come in now. Yeah, come in. Okay. It's time to come inside. Let's finish watching The Mandalorian. Here you go. Whew. Okay. Why don't you climb that instead of the tree, yeah? Hmm? Okay. All right. Well, that was cool. Good performance, buddy. So Cinnabon and I watched part of a movie, and then he wanted back outside, so I let him outside, and he went back up in the tree. It's very cold out. Cinnabon, you on top of the birdhouse again, buddy? He's looking in the hole. There must be something. Oh, he's touching the hole. There must be something in there that he wants. The treasure in there, buddy? The treasure in there? I don't even I don't have a jacket on. I don't even have any pants on right now, so apologies for the shaky cam. You gonna come down, buddy? Okay. Well, I'm gonna go back inside, okay, buddy? I'm gonna go back inside. I'll be waiting for you. Bye-bye. Back inside where it's nice and warm. Cinnabon's out there still. He's up on top of the birdhouse. There's probably something in there that he wants, so we'll just kind of let him do what he wants to do, I guess. And then I'll check periodically tonight. I just get up every once in a while and he'll be waiting right here. He'll want to come inside after he assuming finds something inside the birdhouse. So what an interesting animal, huh? Hey, buddy. Come back inside, okay? Come back inside, Cinnabon. Where'd you go? There you are. You goofy goober. It's time for bed, okay? Can't see what he's doing right now, but he just went into his little home. Yeah, little cat tree. You are such a silly kitty. Yeah. You are very funny. Hopefully the neighbors didn't see or hear me. They'll be like, what's that half-naked guy doing out there with a flashlight and a phone talking to a cat in a tree trying to get into a birdhouse? It's fun. Anyway, it's time for bed, isn't it, buddy? Ready for bed? Are you ever ready for bed, man? You're always ready to go, huh? Yeah? Alright, I'm gonna go to bed and you can join me if you want to, okay, buddy? Hey, Cinnabon. No, he's in bed where he belongs. Aren't you, buddy? Yeah? You gonna behave yourself tonight? I sure hope so. Yeah, you were quite an active kitty tonight. Yeah. Night, buddy. Hope you have pleasant dreams about catching birds inside of houses. Yeah. You little night birdhouse raider, right? Yeah, you're not talking? You don't want to admit to what you're doing? That's okay. I understand. Night, night, and thank you all for watching, everyone.